main road. Ito ang main road. Tingnan nyo kung gaano nakataas ngayon. Mga sasakyan lubog lahat. Ito magandang advantage pag naka apartment ka, may magpapala ng snow mo eh. Ewan ko, pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin. So yan talaga. Ayan, ito kapala. Kapala siya ng ano. Man, we had enough snow already. Hey, how you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Whew. Can you get in?
I'm trying to.
Yeah?
I'm trying, we're just clearing out the sidewalks here.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, good luck, man.
Yeah, thanks. You have a good one.
Alright. Saan ko? Tasulungin natin ito. Oh, shit. Utang inang yan. Hindi ako gano'ng kalalim. As you can see, yun ang harap namin. Siguro kasi taas ko to, no? Ganyan nakataas, oh. Tayo makapasok nito para sulong. Iko. Ayoko na, pagod. See you later. Signing out.